Hello everybody, welcome back to our series on egg hatching here at Whistling Dixie Farms. We are now approaching the time that our eggs are ready to hatch. Remember, it takes 21 days for an egg to develop its chick. On the 18th day, we will stop turning the eggs inside the incubator. That allows the chick inside to get positioned to prepare to break out of the egg. The way that a chick prepares itself is it rolls so its back is down against the bottom of the egg and its feet are up towards the top. When the chick is ready to exit the egg on the 21st day, it begins by breaking a small hole in the egg. This is called a pip. The reason that a chick needs to start with a pip is because it needs to open the egg and allow in fresh air for it to breathe. A chick breaks a hole in the egg using what's called a pip tooth. A pip tooth is a sharp, hard spot on the end of the chick's beak that is used for breaking the egg. Once the chick has pipped a hole in the egg, it will take a while to rest, usually up to a few hours. It's a lot of work for a little chick to move around inside the egg and prepare itself to break its way out. Once it's rested enough, the chick will use its pip tooth to break a line of holes across the egg, allowing it to push the egg open. We like to call this unzipping the egg. Here is an example of an egg that is already hatched. Now imagine that the egg is whole. You can see how the chick has worked its way along, breaking a line of holes to allow it to exit the egg. Once it's broken enough holes, its head, which is on this end of the egg, and its feet, which are on this end of the egg, the chick will push with its head and its feet at the same time, causing the egg to open up, allowing the chick to tumble out of the egg. Now, let's have a look and see this in action. We start by seeing that the chick has pipped its egg. You can see in the upper left side of the egg there's a hole broken through, and you can just see a tiny spot where the chick has pushed its beak through the hole to breathe. I've sped this video up and we will see what happens over the course of about 5 hours in just a few minutes here. Now, we're beginning to see the chick work on expanding its initial pip hole. This is how it will begin to unzip the egg and make its way to hatching. As I mentioned, it's a lot of work for the chick to break these holes in the egg. So it's a very long and slow process with a lot of time for the chick to rest in between. The chick has made its hole almost all the way down the left side of the egg. Now you can see that the chick is beginning to push and work its way through the broken hole. It takes a lot of struggling, and eventually I needed to pull the egg off the chick. You can see that the chick is now out of its egg. It will take a while to rest and recover from that strong effort of pushing its way out of the egg. It also needs time to dry off its feathers. As you can see, it comes out of the egg rather wet. Come back soon and join us for our next video in the series where we take a look at the chicks after they've finished hatching.